Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we will learn how to manage your power options. Before we go further, we believe it's important to inform you about three different ways that you can power down your computer, which includes sleep, hibernate, and shutdown. We provide a link containing an article regarding the difference between these three and how to use them best. There are a few things that you can do here. The first three, as you can see, will lead you to the same page. And inside this page, all three options are available, but the options for password and shutdown setting are disabled. And if you want to enable them, you have to click here. And you can change the setting to however you like. When you're done, you can save or cancel. Now let's talk about power, sleep buttons, and lid setting. Most people concern themselves about what the computer will do when they close the lid. There are four options that they have. Three of them we discussed before, and the last one is to do nothing. These are all the same options that they can get from pressing the power button. However, for the sleep button, they only get three options without the shutdown, because you cannot shut down your computer from sleep button. In addition, the computer will provide two different scenarios to differentiate what it will do when it is running on battery and when the charger is being plugged in into the computer. Now let's move on to the next section, which is power plan. A computer can contain more than one power plan. For example, in here there is balance and power saver. When we want to change a power plan, we can access it from here, and this button will also lead us to the same page. However, it is important to make sure which page we are accessing, because if we click here and then we click here, it will change to power plan settings. Since we have more than one power plan, we need to make sure we know which one we are changing. Now let's take a look at the things that we can change. The first three things that we can change are the brightness, which are differentiated between on battery and plug-in as well. For example, you can lower the brightness when we are using battery, that way it will save power. Next, we can set the timing for when the computer will automatically turn off the display. There are a lot of options here. And when the computer will go to sleep after certain intervals. When there is a problem, you can always restore it to default setting. And in addition, there are a lot of different things that you can do from here as well. And if you feel like there is a problem, you can always restore it again. And when you're done, you can save or cancel. And the last things that you can do here is to create your own power plan. You can change the name, for example, your own name. And when you're done, just next. And you can change it however you want. When you're done, just create. And they will show your power plan here. And that is everything that I can teach you regarding power options. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you.